Welcome to World AI Travel. In this video, we're going to be exploring the beautiful island of Hawaii. If you like what you see, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This will help us grow our channel and make more videos like this. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. The more people who see it, the more people we can inspire to travel to Hawaii. So let's get started. Geography: Hawaii is a state of the United States located in the Central Pacific Ocean. It is the only U.S. state located outside of North America. The state consists of 8 main islands and many smaller islands and atolls. The main islands are Hawaii, Oahu, Maui, Kauai, Molokai, Lanai, and Niihau. The islands of Hawaii are volcanic in origin. They were formed by the movement of tectonic plates under the Pacific Ocean. The most active volcano in the world, Kilauea, is located on the island of Hawaii. Climate: Hawaii has a tropical climate with warm, sunny weather year-round. The average temperature ranges from 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. The rainy season is from November to March. History: the first people to arrive in Hawaii were Polynesians from the Marquesas Islands. They arrived around 1,000 years ago. The Polynesians established a thriving culture based on agriculture, fishing, and navigation. In 1778, British explorer James Cook became the first European to arrive in Hawaii. Cook's arrival led to the introduction of Western diseases and technology to the islands. In 1898, Hawaii was annexed by the United States. The islands became a U.S. territory in 1900. Hawaii became the 50th state of the United States in 1959. Visiting the beaches. Hawaii is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The white sand beaches, clear blue water, and lush green mountains make for a stunning backdrop. Some of the most popular beaches in Hawaii include Waikiki Beach on Oahu, Hanauma Bay, on Oahu White Sands Beach, on Maui Hapuna Beach, on Hawaii, Punaluu Black Sand Beach on Hawaii hiking in the mountains. Hawaii's mountains offer a variety of hiking trails for all levels of experience. From easy walks to challenging climbs, there's a trail for everyone. Some of the most popular hiking trails in Hawaii include Diamond Head on Oahu Haleakala National Park, on Maui Napali Coast State Wilderness Park, on Kauai Waimea Canyon State Park, on Kauai Mauna Kea, on Hawaii. Exploring the volcanoes. Hawaii is home to 2 active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa. These volcanoes offer a unique opportunity to see the power of nature up close. Some of the most popular places to explore volcanoes in Hawaii include Kilauea Volcano National Park on Hawaii Mauna Loa Observatory, on Hawaii snorkeling and scuba diving. Hawaii's clear blue water is home to a variety of colorful fish and coral reefs. Snorkeling and scuba diving are a great way to experience the underwater world of Hawaii. Some of the best places for snorkeling and scuba diving in Hawaii include Hanauma Bay on Oahu Molokini Crater, on Maui Kealakekua Bay, on Hawaii, Hananau Bay, on Hawaii, relaxing at a spa. After a long day of exploring, there's nothing better than relaxing at a spa. Hawaii has a variety of spas, offering a variety of treatments, including massages, facials, and body wraps. Some of the most popular spas in Hawaii include the spa at the Four Seasons Resort Maui at Wailea, the spa at the Halekulani, the spa at the Mauna Kea Beach Hotel, the spa at the Fairmont Kialani. Food and drink in Hawaii. Hawaii's cuisine is a melting pot of cultures, reflecting the diverse history of the islands. The cuisine is influenced by Polynesian, Asian, European, and American influences. Traditional Hawaiian cuisine. Traditional Hawaiian cuisine is based on fresh, local ingredients. Some of the most popular traditional Hawaiian dishes include panolo, a type of poi made from taro root lalau, a dish of pork, chicken, or fish wrapped in taro leaves and cooked in an underground oven. Kilauea pig, a slow-roasted pork dish poke, a dish of raw fish marinated in soy sauce, sesame oil, and other ingredients. International Cuisine Hawaii is also home to a variety of international cuisines, including Japanese, Chinese, Filipino, Korean, and Mexican. Some of the most popular international restaurants in Hawaii include Honolulu Ramen Kabuki, Japanese restaurant Fong's Chinese Restaurant, The Pig and the Lady Marisco's Jalisco Drinks Hawaii is known for its tropical drinks, such as Mai Tais, Pina Coladas, and lava flows. Some of the most popular drinks in Hawaii include Mai Tai, a cocktail made with rum, orange curacao, orgeat syrup, and lime juice pina colada, a cocktail made with rum, pineapple juice, and coconut cream. Lava Flow, a cocktail made with rum, pineapple juice, and strawberry puree. Tips for visiting Hawaii. When to go. The best time to visit Hawaii is during the shoulder seasons, which are April to May and September to October. During these times, the weather is still warm and sunny, but the crowds are smaller and the prices are lower. How to get there? The most common way to get to Hawaii is by plane. There are direct flights from many major cities in the United States, Canada, and Asia. If you are coming from a smaller city, you may need to connect through a major airport. There are also a few cruise ships that offer trips to Hawaii. What to pack? When packing for a trip to Hawaii, be sure to pack for warm weather. The average temperature in Hawaii ranges from 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. You will also want to pack sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. If you plan on doing any hiking or swimming, be sure to pack comfortable shoes and swimsuits. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the beautiful island of Hawaii. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel videos like this. We also have videos about other amazing destinations around the world. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. The more people who see it, the more people we can inspire to travel to Hawaii. Until next time, aloha.